Hello friends, I am Dr. Mangesh Tiwaskar. I am currently practicing as consultant physician and diabetologist in city of Mumbai. I also have an honor of being Honorary General Secretary, Association of Physicians of India, Indian College of Physicians, and Physicians Research Foundation. Now today I am going to discuss with you the importance of micronutrients, especially during this COVID, not only during COVID period, but the COVID convalescence and recovery phase as well. Now we as all of are aware that we are now entering into slowly from active COVID scenario to the post-COVID scenario or a long COVID scenario. And we all know that the biggest culprit in causing the damage is usually the disrupted or malfunctioning immune system. And it is due to this very unhappy, very hyperactive or overreactive immune response, there is a lot of oxidative stress which is worsened usually by the associated comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, or smoking, alcohol, or kidney diseases, or liver diseases, or in organ transplant or immunocompromised patients. This oxidative stress further worsens the immune response. And if age is not in your favor, then that becomes another jeopardy. And to add to the misery, poor nutrition plays an important role. We all are aware that the people with comorbidities are extremely vulnerable for the oxidative stress and the rapid deterioration in the either diabetes control or the metabolic parameters control whenever there is an extra oxidative stress which is added. To combat this oxidative stress, we need to combat with these free radicals which are actually responsible for attack on the endothelium and an overall immune system. In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, we also have realized, apart from the antivirals or monoclonal or steroids that we used, the role of micro as well as macronutrients have significantly added as a beneficiary for the management of COVID. Let's discuss a couple of things like the role of selenium and role of lycopene in this COVID-19 during and post-COVID era. We all know that selenium is one of the micronutrients which is very important to combat with these free radicals and ultimately the oxidative stress. Why? Because selenium strengthens immunity and exhibits the antioxidant properties by what? By lowering the oxidative stress, by maintaining what we know as the redox balance, the balance between the oxidation and the recovery process in each and every cell in each and every tissue. It also betters the T cell response and the natural killer cell response as a part of cytotoxic or a cytokines related damages. It also prevents the excessive production of inflammatory cytokines like interleukin 6 or TNF alpha or interleukin 1 beta. They are actually culprits for causing cytokine storm in the COVID scenarios. And also it modifies the immune response by binding viruses and the response of the immune responses to the infection. Selenium deficiency is genuinely associated with higher mortality, and there is a huge amount of data which has been already published. Now if we really talk about lycopene, we need to understand that lycopene also demonstrates the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties by decreasing again the levels of the inflammatory cytokines. And not only that, it also I would say reduces down that singlet reactive oxygen species which actually is responsible for actual oxidation related damage. So just remember that choosing the right kind of multivitamin along with possibly selenium and lycopene will not only protect your immune response but will also enhance your recovery by improving your resistance to even the viral entries. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you.